Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and welcome to 2021. We made it! So I hope you guys had a great holiday season, had a great New Year's. We're starting off 2021, so I figured what better way to start off 2021 than with some bloopers. Let's have a good laugh and get right into this year. So I hope you enjoyed this next little blooper video that I put together. And like I said, I hope everything's been good for you. Let's hope for an awesome 2021. I got some more videos coming out for you shortly, so just look out for those. And until I see you again in the next video, peace! Freaking land this thing. Maybe I'll just buoy it. Oh! It's time for some lunch, cause I am hungry. Also looks like there's weather coming in, so I might actually put it on the trailer. Actually, yeah, you know what? There's some weather coming in. I'm gonna have to trailer this, which means I'm gonna have to get wet. And now the coop. There, we done. All right. Turn this off and figure out how to load up the truck. Look, there's a Christmas tree in this dock. Hilarious. Alrighty. Without falling out, let's get off this thing. Slight problem. Wow. It was a great idea until I came up short. It shallowed off too much. Stupid. And it was natural habitat. Oh, he waved! Yes! Listen, dreams do come true. And if this is mine, that's kind of sad, so I don't know. Ow, that was a wall. And all the best to you. No, fuck. I'll go over all the stuff we did to I'll go over all the stuff in this water trips. That's a weird way of saying that. Okay, well, no. All right, otherwise, that's pretty much that for this. Oh, Jesus. Take 600. But I'll show you how we get there in a bit. So stick around, enjoy, and catch you in a bit. Peace. Stick around, enjoy, and let's get going. Hey, guys. Welcome. Nope. Take two. Hey. Hello. Hello, people. I'm only filming a video in my garage. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. A lot of bugs, that's why I got the goggles on as well, and the mask, that really helps. Like wearing this mask and now with the goggles on, you take a mosquito, you're in good shape. Take 300. I would have swallowed a lot of bugs if I didn't have this stuff on, so. That'll look great on the camera. Hold on. The bug got on the lens. Aw, you ruined it. Oh no! Son of a gun. He's like, you're taking too long talking in your video. Alright, let's get going. See what he says, okay? It's like a wave. I mean, I'll take it. All right, let's go. All right, let's get going. I heard you. And like I said, we'll just keep putting some adventures on the oh fuck. And like I said, we'll just keep. Oh, jeez. And like I said, no. I'm leaving. Like it's like 25 feet deep right here. Just because they gotta get their craters in here. Well, that's pretty much it for this trip, guys. Just wanted to take you into Owens. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the cops are looking for us. Yeah, things you don't normally think you'd hear that much in Northern Ontario. Although I guess maybe. I don't know. Anyway, guys, that's golly, every time. We get it. You have to go down. That was the Narrows there that we just passed through, so it's like the gap between Lake thing. That is, oh my gosh. I will learn to speak! That's called the Narrows back there, so that's the little gap you gotta run through between Lake Simcoe and Kevin. Oh my gosh. Because they're laughing now. Fact check me. Shit. Alright, stop!
Take 6.
Shush, quiet. But I don't know if you're going to be able to see him, but like, dedicated, due diligence fishing, out there in the worst conditions, fishing. What a hero. Alright guys, so that was us passing through the Narrows. Now what we're doing... What are you laughing at?
The way you did that, you just decided to turn it.
No, I'm doing this as a pan into me.
But it's the way you went there.
I know. So we're on the north tip of White Cloud Island right now. So we're gonna head back around to the south. Nope. Oh, I can't even begin to tell you how beautiful this is up here. Let's go. We're on the north tip of White Cloud Island. We're on the north tip of White Cloud Island. Oh my goodness, I can't even say this. Hey guys, so we're on the north. Oh, you're probably looking at sun and I'm here. Hey guys, so no. Well, we almost ran over a huge boulder. Note to self, keep an eye in the water. Come along with us. Peace. Nope, that's not right. That's at the end of the movie? Yes, because I'm that good. That's at the end of this. All right. Whew. Alright guys, well that pretty much does it for today. Absolutely beautiful run down here. Oh, I just swallowed a bug. Oh god. Well, okay, good. Oh my gosh. Got a horsefly biting me, look. Look, guys, that is a freaking horsefly. Look at the size of this freaking thing. Stupid bug. I hope a fish gets you. Let's, do you guys really, please, are you guys getting sick of, let's see what we find, or stuff like that? Because I need to, if I do, I need to come up with something else. So comment below, what should I say? Anyway, that's enough of me. All right. This is too nice weather to sit around. Let's punch it. Ooh, maybe I'll go with let's punch it. Be a little Star Trek like. Oh, I've only had one coffee this morning. Anyways, let's get going. Oh, damn it, punch it. Come along with me. Yeah, that's probably better. Come along with me. Man, it's hard sometimes in the morning, guys, to get the right wording out here. So I've lost my whole train of thought. Jeez. All right, none of this idling anymore. Let's go. Jeez. I can't get to the button. God dang. keep on there. No. Let's try that again. So I hope you enjoy. Nope, because you're already watching. Stop looking at me. Bro, look away. I don't even know where I was now. What was I saying? Oh.
About the Pittsburgh Pirates?
What? So let's get this day going.